Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So, today we are going to begin with the lesson number 5, that is adjectives. So, let's begin with this lesson. Here, an adjective is a describing word. एक adjective क्या होता है? Describing word होता है. वो describe करता है किसी people को या things को. Words for people and things are nouns. वर्ड जो होते हैं पीपल के या थिंग्स के लिए वो क्या होता है नाउन्स होते हैं. तो एडजेक्टिव डिस्क्राइब नाउन्स. एडजेक्टिव किसको डिस्क्राइब करते हैं? नाउन्स को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं. एडजेक्टिव टेल अस सच थिंग्स एज द साइज, एज, कलर, मटेरियल, क्वालिटी ऑफ अ पर्सन और थिंग. एडजेक्टिव क्या बताते हैं? साइज बताते हैं, एज बताते हैं, कलर, क्वालिटी बताते हैं, मटेरियल बताते हैं किसी चीज का या किसी पर्सन का. लाइक आप चाइनी इंसेक्ट. कैसे इंसेक्ट? एक चाइनी इंसेक्ट. प्लास्टिक कप. मछली की बता दिया यहाँ पे कप्स का. A young child. एज बता दी. sticky rice. क्वालिटी बता दी और रेड ड्रेस कलर बता दिया. नाउ मेनी एडजेक्टिव शोज द स्पीकर और ओपिनियन ऑफ समथिंग. बहुत सारे एडजेक्टिव स्पीकर के खुद के ओपिनियन शो करता है. लाइक दैट इज अ प्रीटी ब्लाउज. ये अपना खुद का ओपिनियन है. द लेक्चर वाज वेरी बोरिंग. ये अपना खुद का ओपिनियन होता है. नाउ पोजीशन ऑफ एडजेक्टिव. क्या पोजीशन होता है एडजेक्टिव्स का? बिफोर अ नाउन, the rich lady lives in a luxurious bungalow. They decorated their large home with antique furniture. So this is called the attribute position. इसे क्या कहते हैं? Attribute position, attributive position कहते हैं. As a part of predicate. I am feeling lazy. I thought her selfish. So इसे क्या कहेंगे यार? Predicative position कहते हैं. Now kinds of adjectives. Adjectives of quality or descriptive adjectives. These adjectives describe the quality of the noun. ये जो adjectives होते हैं quality describe करते हैं noun की. जैसे कलर हो गया, साइज, शेप, टेस्ट, स्टेट एक्सेट्रा. लाइक अ वाइट स्वेन. कैसे? एक वाइट स्वेन. अ हाई माउंटेन. एक ऊंचा सा माउंटेन. अ राउंड टेबल. स्वीट मनी. अ सैलड. Adjectives of origin are also the adjectives of quality. Adjectives of origin होते हैं क्या होता है? Adjectives of quality होते हैं. A Chinese food, a Mexican head, American burger, Australian apple, Italian cars, English grammar. Now, adjectives of quantity, the adjectives denote the quantity of the noun or the pronoun. ये क्या बताते हैं? Quantity बताता है कि कितना है noun की या फिर pronoun की. Commonly used adjectives of quantity are all, some, many, enough, sufficient, whole, little, much, any. Now, adjectives of number. These adjectives denote the number or order of the noun. ये क्या denote करते हैं? Number या फिर order noun का or the pronoun. These are definite adjectives of number. Definite adjectives of number होते हैं like 100, 1000, second, fifth. Now, indefinite adjectives of number क्या होता है? All, many, few, several, some, none. Distributive adjectives of number either, neither, every, each. Now, demonstrate. जो demonstrate करते हैं like this, that, these, those. So these adjectives point out, demonstrate. The nouns point out or demonstrate करते हैं noun को या फिर pronoun को. Demonstrative adjectives क्या होते हैं? This, that, these, those. Now interrogative adjectives. These adjectives are used with nouns to ask questions. किसके साथ use होता है? Nouns के साथ use होता है questions पूछने के लिए. Interrogative adjectives क्या हो गए? Like what, who and which. Now possessive adjectives जो possession show करते हैं या ownership show करते हैं. These adjectives show possession of the noun like my, your, ours, his, her, its, their. You have to remember, the personal pronoun have two possessive form. Personal pronoun की दो possessive form होती है. Like I की क्या होगी? My और my, you, your, yours, they, their, theirs, we का ours, she, her और hers. Out of two possessive form of each pronoun, one has been printed in colors. एक colors में और एक black में है. The form is used as colors वाली क्या possessive adjective है. Before nouns की use होती है. Like he has only one possessive form. He की खाली एक ही possessive form है his. Its की एक ही possessive form है its. Now observe the difference between possessive form and the possessive adjective. Possessive adjective है या possessive form में difference देखते हैं. This is my robot. This robot is my. ये robot मेरा है. Here is your book. तुम्हारी book. Possessive adjective आ गया. That book is yours. These are their cars. These cars are theirs. That is her lunchbox. That lunchbox is hers. Now, some adjectives tell us what type of thing something इज, कि किस टाइप की कोई चीज है, और व्हाट मटेरियल इट इज मेड ऑफ, या किस मटेरियल से बनी हुई है ये। These are called classifying adjectives. इन्हें हम classifying adjectives कहते हैं। इनके एग्जाम्पल्स क्या है? Here a financial report, क्या है? फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्ट आ गया। A medical center, a chemical formula, botanical gadget, electric guitar, wooden furniture, gold ring, a diamond necklace, मटेरियल भी आइए क्लासिफाई कर दिया। ना एडजेक्टिव दैट कैन बिकम नाउन, जो एडजेक्टिव्स नाउन बन सकते हैं आपके, लाइक वी कैन पुट बिफोर, दा लगा सकते हैं बिफोर आपके बहुत सारे एडजेक्टिव से पहले, टू मेक देम रेफर टू क्लास ऑफ पीपल। फॉर एग्जांपल्स, द रिच, the poor, the young, the old, the strong, the weak, the healthy, the sick, the blind, the lame, the deaf, the disabled. So these terms refer to groups of people. ये groups of people है, they are plural nouns. तो ये क्या हो गया आपके plural nouns हो गए। Examples क्या है इसके? The rich. Rich people have a duty to help the poor. Poor people. Poor क्या हो गए? The poor क्या हो गए? Poor people हो गए। The young, young क्या है? Young people है। Have a duty to help the old. Old कौन हो गए? Old people हो गए। Group हो गया। Now forming adjectives. Adjectives कैसे form होते हैं? Many adjectives are words that do not have specific ending. बहुत सारे adjectives क्या होते हैं? Words होते हैं जिनकी कोई specific ending नहीं होती। जैसे आपके क्या हो गया? Good, fat, sweet, kind, fat, thin, tall, small, wide, narrow, broad, fast, quick, slow. But a lot of adjectives do have adjectival ending. बहुत सारे adjectives क्या होते हैं? Adjectival endings होती है। जैसे आपका, जिसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Suffix कहते हैं। We add a letter or a group of letters at the end of a noun. हम letter add करते हैं या फिर group of letters add करते हैं noun के end में to form an adjective से adjective form करने के लिए। The most common suffixes used in forming adjectives are common suffixes जो use होते हैं suffix form करने के लिए y, ly, able, l, ed, and full, lers, ic, ing, ish, if, us, and some. Now adjectives formed by adding y form करेंगे कौन से adjectives बनते हैं? हम see bad है y लगा देंगे adjective baggy हो जाएगा। dirt, dirty, ease, easy, fun, funny, fog, foggy, hair, hairy, health, healthy, juicy, mess, messy, muddy, muddy. Now adjective formed by adding ly to a noun में ly लगा देंगे। adjectives कैसे form होंगे? cost का क्या हो जाएगा? costly, friends, friendly, hourly, lovely, monthly. Now deads, deadly, elderly, kindly, likely, sickly. Now adjective formed by adding full add करके कैसे परफॉर्म होते हैं? beautiful, cheerful, colorful, faithful, helpful, peaceful, powerful, skillful, successful, useful. Now adjective form by adding less add करके कैसे फॉर्म होता है? care, careless, fearless, flyless, harmless, hopeless, liveless, merciless, seedless, seedless, useless. Now adjective form by adding ish to a noun or adjective like boy, boyish, childish, foolish, selfish, stylish, bluish, brownish, pinkish, reddish, yellowish. Ish लगा दिया है वैसे। Now here adjective form by adding some to a noun, adjective or word like awesome, handsome, quarrelsome, troublesome, lonesome, wholesome, fearsome, irksome, tiresome, very some। ये आपने nouns में adjective लगाया है, adjective में adjective लगाया है, यहाँ पे अपने verb में adjective लगाया है। Now adjective ending in ing, present participle as adjective जो ing से end हो रहे होते हैं, like a boring story, a caring lady, a charming smile, an interesting film, a greening car. Present participle मैंने loving parents, matching clothes, pouring rain, refreshing drink, rewarding job, running water, a smiling face. Now adjectives ending in ed जो ed में end हो रहे होते हैं, past participle use and adjective। यहाँ पे past participle use होता है adjectives की तरह। added new, boiled, added value, boiled ads, classified advertisement, a closed door, a divided nation, dried fruit. यहाँ पे क्या ed end हो गया past participle में positive, a haunted car, our loved ones, a painted wall, reduced prices, trained teachers, wasted time. Now adjectives ending in en जो en से end हो रहे होते हैं like this. So past participle में होता है ending en से होती है इनकी adjectives की. A broken leg, frozen food, hidden treasure, a written apple, spoken English, stolen watches, a sweaten face, a woven fabric, a written test. Now will also add en to nouns. En add होता है nouns में wood में and wool में to make them adjectives. So adjectives बनाने के लिए as wood, wooden, wool, woolen. Now adjectives ending in able जो able में end हो रहा है like countable nouns, durable clothes, comfortable chair, curable disease, an enjoyable party, a fashionable dress, honorable behavior, knowledgeable peoples, a lovable cat, a memorable journey, a valuable watch, a washable dress. Now adjectives ending in able, able से जो end हो रहे होते हैं like an audible sign and combustible material, a creatable story, eatable oil, an eligible bachelor's, a horrible smell, legible handwriting, a possible solution, a reversible jagged, a sensible idea, a terribleness, a visible sign. Now adjectives ending in L. L से जो end हो रहे होते हैं like an annual meeting, botanical gardens, coastal towns, electrical goods, a loyal trade, a magical power. Sorry, magical powers, medical equipment, musical show instruments. ये सब AL से end हो रहे हैं. Mutual respect, at, official, info, special needs. Now adjective जो AD से end हो रहे हैं आपके like a complimentary copy, a documentary film, elementary education, a legendary hero, a military attack, necessary papers, parliamentary debate, a primary school, temporary. जब ये सब किससे end हो रहे हैं AE से. Now adjective जो IC से end होता है इक से like aerobic, exercise, basic arithmetic, comic, books, electric kettle, exotic plants, fantastic, a magic trick, a public place, a tragic accident. Now adjectives ending in IVE, IVE से जो end हो रहे होते हैं like active, an active boy, adhesive tape, an attractive design, collective noun, defective grammar, goods, ineffective, an expensive watch, a massive explosion, a negative reply, a positive answer. Adjectives ending in house, house से end हो रहे होते हैं an adventurous story, a courageous soldiers, a dangerous place, an enormous red, a famous author, a ferocious dog, a glorious victory, a poisonous snake, a religious belief. Now correct use of some adjectives. क्या correct use है some और any का? Some use होता है affirmative sense में while any in the negative sense. Any negative sense में use होता है like there is some water in the bucket. We do not find any water in the bucket. Any negative में आ गया. I had some money with me. I do not have any money with me. Any money. Some is used in interrogative sentence. Some interrogative sentence में use होता है which are commands or request. जो क्या होती है commands होती है या फिर request होती है like will you please show me some of the designs. क्या तुम मुझे कुछ design show करोगे. Any is used to express quantity or degree in interrogative sentences. क्या express करते हैं quantity या फिर degree interrogative sentence में like have you seen any film of Dev Anand. Each or every, each is used as one of the two things taken one by one, which every is used to mean many. Every के समय mean करता है बहुत सारों से like both these verbs take singular verbs. So ये verbs होती है क्या लेती है singular verbs लेती है as like each of the houses slightly different. Every child in the school passed the swimming test. Now much many, much is used in regard to quantities. किससे regard करता है quantities से while many is used in regards to number. Many किससे regard करता है number में. Much quantity में many numbers में. Many people agree with nationalization. बहुत सारे people किससे agree करते हैं nationalization से where many pictures of Indian artists. I have much pleasure introducing our new players. Did you have much difficulty finding the house? Much और many का use आ गया यहाँ पे. Both much and many have their comparative and superlative. दोनों का comparative और superlative होता है most, more and most. Much का more, many का most. Now much more, most quantity, many more, most number. Now more people are coming to see the exhibition. बहुत सारे people आ रहे हैं exhibition देखने, क्या number आ गया. I want more sugar for myself. ज़्यादा sugar से quantity आ गई. Most people are fortunate in this one number है. Most of the rice has gone bad. ये आ गई quantity हो गई. Now many are. Both are used to denote numbers. दोनों ही आप denote कर रहे हैं numbers से with many. We use plural verb. many के साथ हम plural verb use करते हैं. Many passengers were injured in the incident. Many are is used with singular. Singulars के साथ use होता है. Singular नाम के और singular verb के साथ use होता है ये. Like many a famous pop star has been ruined by drugs. Now all, whole. All is used to denote quantity as well as a number. All किस लिए use होता है? Denote करता है quantity को या फिर number को. But whole denotes quantity only. Whole किसको denote करता है? खाली quantity को denote करता है. Like all the students went to order they drank of the whole juice. Now few, a few, the few. These are used for number only. एक खाली numbers के लिए use होता है. Few has a negative sense. Few का negative sense होता है जिसका मतलब होता है hardly, any or not many. I have few pins, not many. A few has an affirmative sense. Few का affirmative sense होता है means a small number of or one. A few guests are coming for dinner. Some, the few means not many but all that word. The few people enjoyed the concert. Little, a little, the little. These are the use for quantity. ये खाली quantity के लिए use होता है. Little has a negative sense. Little का negative sense होता है जिसका मतलब होता है not much. He is little known as an artist. A little has an affirmative sense. Little का affirmative sense होता है जिसका मतलब होता है some. I need a little milk for coffee. मतलब some milk for my coffee. The little means not much but whatever there is. ज़्यादा नहीं but जितना भी है. The little wells that was in the cup has curdled. Now further. Further refers to distance. किससे रेफर करता है? Distance से. By further किससे रेफर करता है? Addition से. We moved further from the school. I do not need any further help from you. ज़्यादा help नहीं चाहिए. आगे की help नहीं चाहिए. Now later, latest and last. Later and latest refers to time. Time से रेफर करता है where later और last signify करता है position को. She reached later than her sister. Did you hear the latest news? He became rich in the later part of his life. December is the last month of the year. ये कैसे यूज हुआ है? लेटर. ये चार तरीके से यूज हुआ है. लेटर और लेटेस्ट रेफर करता है टाइम से और लेटर और लास्ट मीन्स कर रहे हैं पोजीशन को. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. See you in the next class.